Hello guys, welcome to Learning with Prep Class. I am the tutor, Intg. In this video, I'll be solving questions 71 to 75 from the Aqua Basic Science 2015 questions. After this video, you would have gained understanding on how to carefully select the correct answer when solving questions in basic science. It's usually fun having you guys around, and I know this video will be a worthwhile session. Do not forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. You can go the extra mile of leaving a comment so we can communicate for effective learning. Without further ado, let's zoom in. Question 71. Gold is used as jewelry and ornament because of its A. Luster, B. Malleability, C. Ductility, D. Sonorous. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers the question. Now, in looking at this question, it's talking about gold, and we know gold is basically a metal. And all of these answers, or all of these options, are properties of metal. But one is a property that makes gold being used as a jewelry and ornament. Now, option A, luster. Luster is the ability for a metal to shine. The shining nature of a metal is termed luster. And gold is used as jewelry and ornament because of its luster. It can shine. It looks shiny. That's why it is used as a jewelry and ornament. So option A is our correct answer. Option B, malleability. Malleability is a property where a metal is being hammered into sheets. It's being hammered into sheets. And that's not the reason why gold is used as an ornament or jewelry. Ductility is the property of a metal being drawn into wire. And that's not also the reason gold is used as a jewelry or ornament. And sonorous is the property of a metal to produce sound. And that also is not our answer. So option A, luster, is our correct answer. Alright, let's look at the next question. Question 72. Lack of vitamin B leads to A. Beriberi, B. Scurvy, C. Rickets, D. Bleeding. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, when we're talking about lack of vitamin B, it basically leads to beriberi. And specifically, it is vitamin B1, which is known as thiamine, that leads to beriberi. Scurvy is lack of vitamin C, it's called scurvy, cracks around the nose and mouth. And rickets is lack of vitamin D. It's a deficiency observed in children. Their legs or their limbs become crooked. Lack of vitamin D. So our correct answer is option A, beriberi. Let's look at this explanation for further conviction and understanding. Now, beriberi is a disease caused by a vitamin B1 deficiency, also known as thiamine deficiency. So, another name for vitamin B1 is thiamine. So, another name for beriberi also is thiamine deficiency. Scurvy is a disease resulting from a lack of vitamin C. So, another name for vitamin C is ascorbic acid. Rickets is the softening and weakness of bones in children, usually because of an extreme and prolonged vitamin D deficiency. So you can see beriberi is our correct answer. So question 72, option A, beriberi is the correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 73. Dental formula is abbreviated as I for incisor, C, they didn't give us the answer for C, P for premolar, M for molar. So the part C represents A, clavicle, B, canine, C, dentin, D, enamel. So for us to carefully select the correct answer, we would analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, when you're talking about the part C, the part of teeth with the name starts with the alphabet C is no other than the canine. And its function is for tearing. It's very bold in carnivorous animals, animals like lion, tigers. Their canine is usually very bold, very big and sharp because they use it for tearing. Let me show us this picture for a better understanding and conviction. Now you can see it. This is the canine. You can see it's part label C. This one is very sharp and it's used for tearing. Alright, so I is incisor, C is canine, M is molar, P is premolar. Alright, so question 73, option B, canine is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 74, the dental formula 21, I21, C00, P32, M33 represents which animal? Now, what this basically represents is incisor, upper jaw 2, lower jaw 1, canine, upper jaw none, lower jaw none, premolar, upper jaw 3, lower jaw 2, molar, upper jaw 3, molar jaw 3. So which animal has this dental formula? A, man, B, cow, C, dog, D, rabbit. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, we might not be able to have all of this information by heart, but in analyzing all of these options, by looking at the question, which one of these options lacks a canine? So which one of these animals does not have a canine? We know man has a canine. Yeah, man has a canine. Cow also has a canine. Dog definitely is a carnivorous animal. It has a canine for biting and tearing. So, but a rabbit lacks a canine. If you've seen a rabbit, you see that this teeth is missing. The predominant ones, the one that you can see that is very observable, is the incisor, the front teeth. And that's why rabbits, you see rabbits chewing like this, jamming their incisors together. So the rabbit lacks a canine teeth. So our correct answer would be option D, rabbits. Let's look at this picture for more explanation and understanding. So if you look at it, look at the dental formula of some common mammals given below. Look at man and monkey. You can see it, 2 incisor up and down, 1 canine up and down, premolar 2, molar 3, and that gives us a total of 32. Now if you look at the rabbit, it lacks a canine. 0 canine. 0 canine. The cow has only 1 canine on the lower jaw, while the dog has the same amount of canine just like a man has. So our correct answer would be rabbit. And also if you look at the mouse and rats, they also lack a canine teeth. Alright, so both mouse, rat, rabbit lacks canine teeth. So question 74, option D, rabbit is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 75. Dysentery, cholera, and typhoid fever germs are spread by A, mosquito, B, housefly, C, cockroach, D, black fly. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, in looking at all of these options, you agree with me that they are all vectors. That means they are carriers of disease-causing microorganisms. They carry microorganisms that causes diseases. So which one of these vectors carries microorganism that causes dysentery, cholera, and typhoid? Now we know mosquito is out of it because we know mosquito only causes malaria. It carries plasmodium, which causes malaria, and it's only the female Anopheles mosquito that is responsible for that. Option B, housefly, and this is actually our correct answer. The housefly is known to cause dysentery, cholera, and typhoid. The cockroach also has the potency of causing all of these because the cockroach can go into many places and come in contact with various germs that can cause various diseases. And we also know the cockroach to be responsible for leprosy. Yeah, it's also responsible for leprosy. The black fly, option D. The black fly is known to cause river blindness. It carries the microorganism which causes river blindness. So our correct answer is option B, housefly. So question 75, option B, housefly is the correct answer. This is how far we can go in this video. I hope we had fun. Our answers came out when we analyzed our options. I'm using this time out to ask us to join our WhatsApp group using this link below so we can get updates on more videos to come and we can ask questions and comment on the previous videos you've seen. It was fun having you guys around. Till I come your way again. Bye!